these two, they look similar, but they are not, because they do have differences, I believe. If you look at the box, although this box for some reason has no details about what's in there. Normally it has the details about chances of how easily it is to get them. But this is D003, this is D002, and the rest is mostly in Chinese. So I think the cards will roughly be the same, but they will have slight differences, because this is tier 3 wave, but this says just T3W1. Like I don't even know exactly what the differences is. If you like go to AliExpress and you type in Kayou cards or whatever, you can see that Naruto, there's like a list. You can see Naruto has a lot of different types, and a lot of the same cards are in all the same series, but then there's also slight variants and whatever. It was a bit strange sometimes, but I'll start with this one and then we'll move on to this one. Okay, so like I said, there's not much point to look in the box, because and also look, you got the Akatsuki members on the side here, right, and on the other side as well. This box has other members on them, so yeah, I think it's different waves, and I think mostly the special cards are different, but I guess we'll see. Get this out of the way. Open it up. Try to open it up. Come on. Okay, here we go. There's not that many packs in there, actually. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 packs. Yeah. That's it. It's empty now. Yeah. Nothing else in there. So 20 packs. Now, since I'm going to do both boxes, I'm going to open this one too, just so we can take a look at the packs and see how different they look, and if they look different. I think they probably should, but like I said, you never know, especially with Kayou. Let's get this plastic off. When is this so difficult? Okay. So it does look different, of course. It has a different thing, but we'll put it next to it, and then as we open up, we can compare and see the differences. So also 20 packs, so we got 2020, 2 different series, should be. And also, once again, on this pack, it doesn't say what the pull rates are. No, it doesn't. So, yeah, it's weird. So let's do a first comparison. Take this, open this one, up. So we have an SR. So this is actually a game that you can play, because they do have values. And they do have like the background. Like, I've opened packs like this before. There's like details, how tall they are, or who their squad is, and so on. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. There's other videos for that. Karin, that's an R. Okay. There we go. UR. Yeah. And then, ooh, this is new. I've never seen this before. A TGR. Nice. Okay, and now, oh wait, there's a piece of paper in here. BZ06. Okay, just so you know. I'll open one of the other ones just to compare the style, and it's going to be roughly the same, I'm sure. Although maybe not. This is an SR. This is also an SR. Oh, see? They do have very similar stuff. This is a TR, not a TGR. Okay, I'm already happy I bought the boxes, because it does look special. And yeah, they look a little bit different. Like, this is an R. This is also an R. But the differences are minute. I think it's roughly the same. It's NRR 37, NRR 34. So I'm pretty sure both of them are going to be in both packs. Yeah, I think a lot of these I will already have in my binder. Okay, so I'm going to leave these like that for now. I'll continue with this one. So I'm just saying mostly the differences are in the special cards. The R and so on, they tend to be very similar. So another Naruto. SR. Okay. Kiba. Sakura. And another one. So I guess there's one like this in every. And this is now TR again. So this is TR, and this one was TGR. So it does look a little bit more special. It's cute though. Okay. So I guess each pack apparently has one of those, or maybe those first two pulls were just crazy, but I don't think they are. They were, or will end up being. So another SR. Oh, Choji. Followed by an R, of course. Another one. This is cool. That's a nice card. SSR. Yeah, I guess there's going to be one in every one, each one of them. So this is a TR. Right, next. So another SR. Iruka Sensei. Naruto again. SSR. I recognize this one. I think I have this one already. I might have the other one as well. I don't know. But these ones I definitely do not have. These TRs. This is TR number 46. So there's a lot of them. This is 41 and 39. So yeah. Interesting. And the TGR is TGR number 24. And this one, was also a TR, is number 36. So it'd be interesting to see if there's doubles there as well. This one I like. I like the colors, I like the background. School card. Okay. Joji again. SSR. It's cool, but I think she looks a bit too pale. But yeah. And another Naruto TGR. Okay. So far we had TGRs, we have TRs, we have SSRs, we have SRs, we have URs. So another SR. Card in again. Yep. Another R. So this time no special one, only one of these. 44. I like them though. They're a little bit goofy, but I think it's okay. Normally I'm not crazy about cards like that. These ones I like. Wow, these packs really heavily feature Karin, huh? Sasuke. Sakura. Aha, another UR. Rock Lee. That's the second one. And here we have Shikamaru. TR. We are almost halfway with this box. Naruto. Bakun. My guy. Ah, another UR. It's a really cool Gata. Very nice. UR. It's cute though. I gotta say it's cute. I gotta say. Alright, 2 packs. And then we're halfway. I want the super rares, like the really cool ones. Because I don't think we've had one yet. SR. R. 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 It's funny. I guess each and every character has one like that. So Ah, look. Perfect. Time to compare. Because this is from this pack and this is from the other pack. Honestly, I do not see the difference. The same number, same shine, everything the same. So even the SRs are similar. So I don't really know. Did they just change the packaging? You know, what is different? Well, check it out and I'll let you know. Aha, SP. So this is very, very special. It's kind of sad it's not a different character, but it is what it is. In the background. Okay. And then this one. Again. So that's a double. Okay, 10 more to go. Halfway. Okay. SR. Got in. Naruto. Aha. Another UR, but I'm pretty sure I'd have this one already. Sometimes it's even difficult to see is a UR or OR. I think it's UR. No, it says OR. Sorry, it's OR. So I have to double check if my URs are actually URs or not. And this one again. So double check. Are these all URs? They are, yeah. Okay. So we have an OR as well. Okay. Okay. My guy. Hakon and Sakon. I'm not sure. All right. Oh, this is a cool one. This is funny. Yeah, TR. I like this set. Well, both sets. But I thought I opened boxes like these before, and then maybe these are updated boxes because they're also way shinier than they used to be. This seems like a special one. OR. That's really nice. That's a really nice one. And this one again. Too bad. The doubles. Sasuke. Then another R. So TGR. That's cool. Just okay actually. All right. Opening these packs does make me want to continue Shippuden though. I was almost at the end. So shouldn't be too many more episodes left. Okay. So no special one here. And Sasuke. Shino. Okay. Sakura. Forgotten her name. AR. Oh, this is a cool one. This is very nice. Very nice. So we did get it. Wow! Oh, this one again. We did get a bunch of special cards in this set, which is nice. It's not what I could say. I can't say the same about the previous box that I opened. But we do have an AR, we have an SP, we have several ORs, several URs. So it's cool. It's nice to have like special stuff. Oh, SSR, Sakura. And then the back. Ah, yeah, one of my favorites. So unhinged. Okay, next. We're almost at the end of this box. Alright, that goes that. Okay. Okay, and then an AR. Wow, I don't even recognize this person. Maybe it's Boruto? I'm not sure. Nice though, very nice. And this one again. All right. Just even for just being an SR, I really like the color of this. A lot of doubles. I think many of them I just already have. Yeah, this is nice. SSR. It's funny though. TGR, okay. Is it last pack? Last pack magic. Let's see if you can bring me something nice. SR. R. I think there's something nice coming. SSR. It is cool though. I forgot his name, but he's like the puppet master. I missed one again. So that's that one. Now I think I'm just going to combine both because I think in general it's actually the same set with minor differences. So we'll see if we can find some of those minor differences. Okay. So let's take a look. So actually I'm going to put these together, the ones that I had before. So all the R's as well. Like for example, this one, we've seen this so many times already. Sadly, I can recognize them because the cards, as you can see, they are slightly bent. So that's too bad. Okay, an SR. Oh, I spoiled it for myself now. We have an AR, which is good, but also we have Rock Lee, TR. Oh, what's his name again? I really like this guy. I think he's cool, but it's on the tip of my tongue. But yeah, anyway, AR, cool. R and R. Next. Kankuro. Yeah, actually this spoils the special ones already because you can see the SSR through it. And there's also Kigami, I guess. Yeah. TR. And of course, Gara. All right. All right, Shikamaru's dad. Forgot his name. And then Shikamaru himself, but grown up when he defeats what's his face. Yeah. And the special one here is Naruto TGR. And these two. Okay. And we've got Tenten. Killer B. And Rock Lee again. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be a double. Killer B, SSR. And these two. Luckily, not all cards are bent. Come on. Hanzo. Followed by SSR. It seems like the drop rates here are higher. I'm getting the impression they're higher. And this guy, whose name I've forgotten as well. One of Sasuke's group. Hinata. Okay. Yeah, I think the drop rates are higher. Okay. It's a cool one. But an AR. Really nice. Right. There we go. Itachi. Very nice as well. Cool. And R and R. Be nice to have another SP maybe. Or even something even more rare. That would be nice. Shikamaru. Oh, this is a cool one. And there's only an R behind it. Okay. Look at this. This is really nice. TR. I'm getting the impression that the TRs of this series, they might come behind the other ones. I'm not sure. I don't know. 30, 26, 9. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see when the time comes. Okay. Sasuke. Once again, no special card, but we do have Neji as TR. And then just regular cards. Almost halfway. Sasuke. Oh, another AR. I think this is at the end of the Fourth War, right? And this guy, Puppeteer, I think it's the end of the Fourth War, if I'm not mistaken. But I haven't seen that yet. So, okay. And then Naruto's mom. Naruto. So we're now officially halfway. And we get an SSR. It's the Kakashi pack. Too bad it's not Kakashi here as well, but Kiba. So Kakashi SSR. Really nice. And then these two people. Shy. Sakura. Killer Bee. And another special one, an SSR Naruto. And Killer Bee. I do think there's a difference between these from this set because they all have like the background seems to be more prevalent in those ones than the other ones. Or it could just be me. But I think it does look like it a bit. Okay, Iruka Sensei. Followed by Kakashi and an SSR of Orochimaru and Kakashi TGR. Orochimaru. And these two. Yeah, there's hardly any rares in the packs. It's like 2 or maybe 3. It's very heavily leaned towards the more special cards. SR, Neji. I should have been quiet because now there's no special. Gara. And 3 regulars. Okay, this pack opens more difficultly, so maybe this means it's a good pack. Kiba. Oh, yeah, what did I say? An OR. We also have Shikamaru again. OR. Nice. Yeah. And these two. I think we got about like 5 or 6 packs left. I think it's been a pretty good haul so far. But of course, can always be better. Boom. Oh, I think we already have this one. It's too bad. That's annoying. But we do have him. So, TGR. It's cool. Yeah, of course, these two. Okay. So no special, but we do have this one. The guy with the rituals. Pretty nice. No, I'm saying it's not with rituals, with the 8 hearts. Okay. Was it 8? I'm not sure. He had a lot of them. Oh, that's all I know. So 3 packs. There we go. Last 3. I'm not expecting anything too special anymore, but here we go. An amazing AR. Nice. and Kiba. But the AR is very nice. I really like the red, the Katsuki and everything. And these two more packs. Okay, Naruto's dad again. Oh, another AR. Ah, Kisame. Nice. And Shy. That's pretty cool. That's cool. But this one is awesome. Okay. And 2 regulars. And then the final pack. Final pack magic. Oh, we do have the first Hokage. Haven't seen him. But I know that's it. We do have Pain. So it's nice to have Pain as a final card. And then these 3. Done. Okay, I'm going to put all these in my books. See if I was missing any. And how exactly it all fits. And maybe afterwards I'll make a video about it. I'll see if I remember or not. And then later on we'll do these. Okay. Also, let me know if you want to see an overview of all the cards I got all the collections and everything. And maybe I'll make a video like that too. Okay. My name is Joachim. So many games for the time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.